Number one, on various dates between 14th July 2023 and 9th July 2023, the governor grossly violated the provisions of Article 10, Article 73 and Article 75 of the Constitution.
Lakini kulingana na sahihi ile imewekwa tayari, tuko na signatures 37 in support of the motion. So only 10 hawajaweza kuweka sahihi yako kumaanisha wanamuunga mkono ama wana support kwamba governor labda hajakosa, lakini 37 out of 47 ndio wameweza kuweka kidole.